Rootstock Cloud ERP is built for the real world, for the inventors, the manufacturers, the distributors, for anyone delivering valuable products to grateful customers every day. And when you build on Rootstock, you build on Salesforce, the cloud platform where there is no gap between CRM and ERP. Everything starts and ends with the customer, and Rootstock covers everything in between. Our journey begins with sales order processing. It all starts with a closed sale. Sales opportunities in Salesforce CRM can be discussed in Slack or instantly converted into a sales order. Modern manufacturers sell more than tangible goods, so a Rootstock sales order can include goods, services, recurring revenue, and warranty items. Einstein AI can make predictions for your frontline employees, offer insights and next best actions, such as cross-sell recommendations. Now that the sales order is in, let's make it happen with engineering. Engineering is where your IP lives. If your manufacturing requires deep bills of materials, engineering change control, revision management, and flexible process routings, Rootstock has you covered. And by connecting items to products, Rootstock allows sales strategies such as configured items, kits, and service products. Now that's some great front office, back office alignment. Next, you're going to need some parts. Let's take a look at supply chain. With CRM and ERP together, sales promises and inventory realities are easy to see and easy to solve. Rootstock's intelligent planning engine automatically drives recommendations for what you have, what to build, what to outsource, and what to procure. Because when supply meets demand, everyone wins. Let's click into procurement. Rootstock procurement covers everything from requisitioning to purchase orders for goods, services, indirect items, and inbound logistics. Low-code technology allows non-technical users to evolve ERP without burdening IT, easily changing things like requisitioning and purchasing approval processes. And built-in supplier communities offer a secure, direct connection with your supply chain partners. You have your plans, parts, and partners. Now, let's build. Rootstock production management is very flexible. It supports a variety of business models, including hybrid and multi-mode manufacturing. Production can be planned based on work order due dates, quantities needed, and material availability. Manage all the work orders related to a project in one screen. Track costs by work order, component items, or operations. Let's review the Work Center. Capacity planning provides simulation and capacity management down to the resource and down to the day. So the factory floor is now humming along. Let's check inventory. Rootstock inventory is comprehensive, covering everything from order fulfillment, raw material receipts, component issuance, work order completion, and cycle counting. Detailed lot and serial tracking are supported for track and trace control. And Rootstock is natively mobile, so you can manage inventory from a forklift or from afar. Next up, finance. All ERP processes automatically roll into Rootstock Financials, which support sophisticated multi-company and multi-currency environments. Rootstock Financials provide you with real-time KPIs on the health of your business. Our extensive costing capabilities help you accurately manage margins by product line, customer, or projects. Finance is not the end of the customer journey. On to customer service. Employees can see a 360-degree view of your customers, so they can quickly answer customer questions and take any action necessary, like RMAs, warranties, or make changes to orders. So that's the full span and power of Rootstock, built on the Salesforce Cloud Platform. When CRM and ERP share the same data model on a single cloud platform, you get complete visibility and the ability to act across your entire business. Rootstock Cloud ERP.